So, hello guys. I'm gonna be play this one, the pizza. Ulit, magbabasa ako.
The title?
It's work at a pizza place.
Okay.
There. Start. Now. Okay, I'm that. Okay. Oh, I have now. I want to be cooking. I'm cooking. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
I'm ready. Mali naman yung
Tingnan mo, oh. Mandra dyan. Cooking. Ano nga yung in-order niya? Okay, ganito. Bakit mo sinuot sa akin? Hindi naman yan necklace. Ito talaga. May ipis nga sa ano eh. Ito dito. Yan. Perfect. Waiting. The pizza is ready. Yeah, boy. Ano next? Okay? Ano next? Okay. The ketchup and this. And that and this. That there. Intay lang tayo. Intay lang. You're a cooking chef. I'm a cooking. Oh. Yeah, boy. Ang dami naman ketchup. Daming ketchup, be. Daming ketchup. Ito iluluto ko. Pandiko ko na. Naging pandiko ko na. What do you mean? What do you want? What do you want order? Gisip ka pa dyan. Uy, ang mukha. Okay, very good. Ayan o. Ayun yung in-order niya. Ano to? I'm a cooking chef. Sino kumain na to?
Cheese lang in-order niya eh.
Hindi. Hintay pa natin. Ay, nako. Uy! Apakan ko siya. Uy, bawal ka dyan humiga. Uy, B. Adam is done. Bakit? Okay, some pizza, and then some pizza. And there. Diamond. Okay, doon naman tayo sa restaurant. Dito naman tayo. So, ayan naman. Okay. 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 The pizza is here. The pizza. The pizza is here. The pizza is here. Bangga. Sorry mo naman. Sorry naman. Sorry na. Ah! At may sound. Walang sound. Uy, tao po. Walang tao. Ay, ito pala eh. Bakit bukas yung pintuan mo? Ha? Wala na yung body ko. Wala na. Ha? 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 Paano nga makalis? Ha? 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 Paano nga makalis? Sayang guys. Ayoko na. Ayoko na to. Ayoko na. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye.